in Florida. Yay, we're in Orlando. We got here today and we kind of just had a couple hours to relax and hang out at our resort, and we decided that we would meet up with a couple friends over at the Wilderness Lodge tonight. Oh man, Orlando drivers make me nervous. That motorcycle just was like,
it's just best, honestly, to hang back and just let people go around you. So in case anything does happen, you have time to slow down. Like, and that's not an exaggeration either.
Orlando makes me nervous. This is the first time we're driving anywhere actually in Orlando. I've driven with friends here, but I've never driven with Ryan or by myself, just because usually we stay on Disney property and we will take the Disney buses everywhere. But we're actually staying over at Universal this time. So we needed to rent a car just to make it easier on ourselves. But yikes, we'll see how it goes. Yeah, we are headed to Wilderness Lodge for dinner. We're going to eat at the Whispering Canyon Cafe, which I've never eaten at before. And Ryan's actually never even been inside the Wilderness Lodge, so I'm kind of excited to see
exit right.
His reaction. Our GPS is talking. You see which exit you're getting off at?
Yeah.
67. So yeah, we will see you guys there and show you what we get. Like I said, I've never eaten there before, so I'm excited, and we'll see how it is. Left on the Epcot Typhoon Lagoon.
She needs like hot tea or something.
I need tea. I had a really bad cold a couple weeks ago, and this cough is like lingering, and the more I talk and the later it gets, the worse it gets. So my apologies. I feel like I sound kind of raspy. I just started singing a Christmas song. That's better.
Where am I going? Disney
You're
Springs.
heading straight. It's not telling me yet.
Continue straight.
So eating at the Wilderness Lodge or any of the Disney resorts is a really fun thing to do on your first night if you don't have a park ticket, or on the last day, you know, an off day that you're not doing the parks. We only have a couple days of park tickets for this trip because we're currently not pass holders. I miss my pass holder.
Why do you miss it?
I miss it because it was just so nice to like feel like I could go whenever I wanted.
Yeah.
I'm hoping I can renew it in the new year and come down a lot next year. We didn't, this GPS drove me crazy. We didn't renew it this year for the first time just because we knew we were going to Disneyland and doing a Disney cruise, and we didn't think we would get down enough to make the pass worth it. They've gotten really expensive for people that aren't living in Florida. So hoping to renew it next year. Gotta kind of plan out our year with trips. Anyway, so eating at a Disney resort on the first night is a great thing to do when you don't have a park ticket. So we're really excited. We're gonna enjoy dinner and take you guys along with us. So we'll see you soon.
Woo.
ordered the skillet. I should have shown the menu, but oops. So Alicia and Trevor prefer to eat vegan, definitely vegetarian. So they ordered the vegan skillet, which is the same thing that we ordered, but we ordered the normal skillet, which is gonna be a lot of meat and all that good stuff. So we're gonna show you kind of the differences between the two skillets. And looks like we started with some salad for everyone that, I guess it comes with all the skillets, yeah. And cornbread as well. And she just told us that they actually have a vegan cornbread and butter as well.
Yeah.
Someone's getting put in jail and we don't understand what's happening. Is it the parents or the kids?
Is the birthday?
Is she crying?
Howdy. She's so embarrassed.
Is she embarrassed?
Yeah. She's okay, let her friend join her. Right behind you, Rachel, Canyon Jail.
Anyway.
There's,
Canyon Jail. Oh yeah, there's a sign on that.
that's the smaller one.
So I guess someone gets put in jail. So there's a lot of little quirky things that happen at this restaurant. I guess at some point they started doing it less just because they were getting some complaints, the people that have rooms outside of the restaurant over there. I don't know, I guess some grumpy people were complaining, but people yell when they need ketchup, and then the ketchup, all the ketchup in the whole restaurant gets brought to one table. And I don't know what these kids did over there, but they just got put in jail, so.
We're gonna get put in jail.
Yeah, we're gonna get put in jail. How do we get put in jail? Let's figure that out. The only time I'll ever say that sentence.
Is this recording?
Alicia told me I should go to jail, so now apparently that's all I need to go to jail. Oh, okay.
There's a little cubby hole if you want to put your drink in there.
It's jail with convenience. A cubby hole. Where's my drink? Drink my drink. This isn't gonna work out well for me. I'm not gonna do that.
Oh my god. That video came over.
So I got put in jail, but we're gonna ignore that for a second. So cornbread was good. Vegan cornbread?
It was good.
Dense?
Really good.
Very dense, more like a corn cake,
Corn cake.
but delicious.
It looks like a corn cake. It's good. You didn't eat any cornbread.
No.
I did.
Went to the main course. Not a cornbread thing?
All right, skillets are here. Looks like we have chicken and mashed potatoes, corn. I don't know what that is. Like beef of some kind? Some sort of sausage, pulled pork, ribs, green beans, baked beans. And then the vegan skillet, honestly, it looks so similar from like afar. Because you guys have potatoes and corn, green beans.
Beef, pulled pork, chicken, sausages.
So all fake meats, plant-based meats. They could have fooled me. Like if they brought that out for us, I wouldn't know the difference until I ate it, probably. What are they? What is this music? Oh my gosh, it's pony rides.
Pony ride.
It's a great day for a pony ride, they said, and now all these kids have ponies. How cute. Fake ponies. Go ahead, Trevor. Go get a pony. She's got extra. No? Take it back? Does it go to a song? It usually goes to a song. Man, Disney loves their parades at dinner time.
To make kids not sit down.
That's true. Place the spoon for everything, I think? So. Nope. Oh my goodness. Oh. Kids on ponies. There you go.
We need ketchup.
Okay. So on the count of 3, we scream really loud. We need ketchup. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
We need ketchup!
And now apparently people are going to bring us ketchup.
Where's ketchup?
So I think it's got like a couple places it needs to go. There, here.
Try again.
Oh.
That was anticlimactic. Can we yell again? 1, 2, 3.
We need ketchup! No?
She saw me.
Okay. Oh, they have it all the way down there.
Yeah. They're coming.
Yay! They're taking their sweet time with that ketchup.
Yeah, right.
Hello! Oh! Football, throw it.
Apparently ketchup is taboo around.
That's what it seems. Thank you.
You have enough. If not,
We might not.
I know.
We might need some more. Oh, good. That might be enough. Maybe. Oh. Put it up there, buddy. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Throwing forks. All right.
Look at that.
All right. A little bit more room. Oh. Thank you. Yay. Awesome. Oh. Do I dare even try to grab one? Okay. Now we have to bring them the ketchup.
Moist in the middle.
And
Weird.
all they did was slather it in barbecue sauce.
What was that?
This one was chicken, that's beef tips. You can try it. Go ahead. Beef tip.
All right, guys, final thoughts. What did we like? What did we not like?
Oh, jackfruit. Yeah.
We didn't like the corn, right?
Corn, no.
Not so much. A little bit more of a canned corn taste, but
I like those.
the green beans are good though, I think, because they're like that crispy. I like crispy green beans. I don't like them to be soggy. Mac and cheese was good. That was not in the skillet, by the way.
Jackfruit was good.
Jackfruit?
Probably jackfruot. Yeah.
I don't even know what jackfruit is, to be honest. Oh, just dropped my phone. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
And then the vegan sausage is
Vegan
probably the best
sausage.
part.
Best.
Amazing.
Really good. Ryan agrees. Ryan just tried some. Really good.
The chicken
Cool.
I thought was good too. It was
The chicken?
odd texture, but it was good. I like the flavor.
Is it dry? Like,
It wasn't.
Yeah.
At least I had.
it kind of looked dry, but I was like, I don't know if that's just because of whatever it's made out of,
It
or.
was like hard on the outside, but the inside was moist, and I was actually surprised.
That was good. Cool. Ryan, what'd you like from our platter?
Probably the brisket.
Brisket was good? I didn't even try the brisket.
Yeah,
Chicken was pretty good too, actually. The chicken was, I don't think you had any chicken, but I did. And it was
Yeah.
good. Pulled pork was okay. Needs some barbecue sauce though. Did you have the beans? You didn't? I didn't eat the beans either. We're not big beans people. Nah.
I love baked beans, but pretty sure there's bacon in there.
Oh, probably. Aren't most baked beans have some sort of meat, something, right? Like a sauce or something? Yeah. Well, my winner 100% was these mashed potatoes. We got more. They were so good. They were like super buttery and salty and delicious. And it made the corn taste a little more appetizing because corn and mashed potatoes. It's the way to go. So I think that's it from Whispering Canyon. Would you eat here again? Would you eat here again?
Yeah, I'd eat here again. I think I'd probably not get the skillet for dinner. I think I'd
Try something different?
Yeah.
Now that you've had it, right?
Yeah.
But it was good.
But I'd
And it's all
recommend
you can
it.
eat
I really would recommend it. Though.
for $33, which is pretty good. Would you guys eat it again?
Yeah.
Yes?
I would definitely come back here to that. That was good.
Yeah? Good. All right, winner. Nice, you know, fairly priced meal in a resort, and like I told you guys on the way here, it's a really great option when you are not in the park for a day and you're just trying to have a good meal and still be on Disney property. So, and what?
You get to go to jail.
And you get to go to jail. I mean, where else can you go to jail and eat yummy food? So, and they what? Oh yeah, and they take annual pass holder discount for you pass holders. Not me,
Okay,
but
thank
soon, soon. Bye guys.
No. If she wants a tip,
Is there,
she won't sing.
is there so? Oh, she's like bye. Yay.
See all that hoopla we heard out there? It didn't happen.
Happy birthday.
He heard like this crazy song and dance going on. She don't care.